The MQ-9 Reaper is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. It is designed for long-endurance, high-altitude surveillance and strike missions. The Reaper is a larger and more capable version of the earlier MQ-1 Predator UAV. The Reaper has a wingspan of 66 feet and can carry a payload of up to 3,750 pounds. It is powered by a Honeywell TPE 330-110 engine and can reach speeds of up to 300 knots. The Reaper can operate at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet and has a range of over 1,000 nautical miles. The Reaper is equipped with advanced sensors, including a multispectral targeting system, MTSB, which provides electro-optical and infrared EO/IR imagery, as well as laser designation for precision-guided weapons. It also has synthetic aperture radar, SAR, for all-weather surveillance and ground-moving target indication, GMTI. The Reaper can carry a variety of weapons, including AGN-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12, Pavway-2, and GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munitions, JDAM, guided bombs, as well as laser-guided rockets. In addition to these guided munitions, the MQ-9 Reaper is also capable of carrying unguided bombs, such as the MK-82 and MK-84 general-purpose bombs. These unguided bombs are less precise than their guided counterparts but can be effective against less fortified targets or when precision is less critical. The MQ-9 Reaper is primarily operated by the United States Air Force and is used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions as well as for targeted strikes against enemy combatants. It has been used in conflicts in Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, and other locations. Based on its capabilities, the MQ-9 Reaper can indeed be seen as a model of warfare without human sacrifice. Its ability to be controlled remotely and conduct precision strikes makes it a valuable asset for the U.S. defense, allowing the military to carry out operations with reduced risk to human life. The Reaper's armament includes guided and unguided bombs, missiles, and other weapons systems. Some of the guided munitions that the MQ-9 Reaper is capable of carrying include GBU-12 Pavway-2 laser-guided bombs. These are precision-guided bombs that are guided to their target by a laser designator. They are effective against a wide range of targets, including buildings, vehicles, and personnel. AGN-114 Hellfire missiles. These are air-to-ground missiles that are designed to be highly accurate and effective against a range of targets, including armored vehicles, buildings, and personnel. GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munition, JDAM. These are DPS-guided bombs that are designed to be highly accurate and effective against a variety of targets, including armored vehicles, buildings, and personnel. In addition to these guided munitions, the MQ-9 Reaper is also capable of carrying unguided bombs, such as the MK-82 and MK-84 general-purpose bombs. These unguided bombs are less precise than their guided counterparts, but can be effective against less fortified targets or when precision is less critical. The MQ-9 Reaper is equipped with advanced sensors and weapons that are used extensively by the U.S. defense for a range of military operations, including counterterrorism, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, force protection, and border security. Its advanced capabilities make it a valuable asset for modern warfare, particularly in situations where ground troops may face significant risks. The MQ-9 Reaper is increasingly used by the U.S. defense in modern warfare due to its advanced capabilities and versatility. It has been extensively used in a variety of operations, including counterterrorism, intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, force protection, and border security. Its ability to conduct these operations remotely reduces the risk to human life, making it a valuable asset for the U.S. defense.